the heartache. I can feel it in my system like a heartache. How she work it, workaholic. How she work it, workaholic. How she work it, workaholic.
Is here, getting delivered. They were so kind to put our stove here, old one. So we're gonna sell it if somebody wants it to refurbish it or whatever. And we have a new stove. Oh, they plugged it up. So this is Frigidaire. I'm just gonna take the film off. Either they installed it for us too.
That ain't installed. All you had to do was plug it up.
It looks good, man. EJ was installing this earlier, the Google Nest.
Almost 12 hours ago.
And it was not working. He even called Google. He was on the phone with 2 different people. And he did some research on his own and found out he needed a C-wire.
Mm-hmm.
And he actually discovered that there was one in the wall already. He thought he was going to have to run one.
And Daddy have another one.
Right now, it's 83 degrees in here. That is not what the other thermostat was saying.
Yeah. And to be fair, we didn't have the air on all day because I was just like, you know what? I'll get to this later tonight.
Daddy,
Yeah, but I feel like the other one was like turning off and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So EJ got that set up. And now he has to set up.
So this is a temperature sensor. So I'm hoping because our house, it's hard to regulate, you know, a multi-level house. So I'm hoping with this, that'll help us a little bit.
Yeah.
So stay tuned. Hey, this was on sale though. If anybody wants a smart thermometer, by the time y'all see this, I don't know when y'all gonna see this. Never mind.
Right.
Never mind.
We did get it on sale for $100. I finished painting the living room. Took 2 days. So that's the color it was, and this is the color it is now. It looks like the room got expanded an inch or 2. So now all that's left is the hallway to be painted and the foyer. All right, y'all, I finished the first coat on the entryway. So I'm gonna wait about an hour or so and do the second coat, and this will be done. I missed a spot. Hold on. And the last thing we will have to paint is the hallway. So this yellow is about to be gone. All right, y'all, I finished painting the entryway. The second coat is done. So that just has to dry. Yay! Now, the next thing we have to do, the next area we need to paint is all of this. But yeah, that's it. So not too much. But I'm done painting today.
Woo! 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 1 and then a 2, 2 and then a 3, 3 and then a 4, then you gotta breathe. 1 and then a 2, 2 and then a 3, 3 and then a 4, then you gotta breathe. Then you gotta.
It's been a while, but we're at Home Depot.
I'm gonna go behind the car.
Mommy, can I record for you?
Home Depot. Home Depot. Oh, that's some nice outside lighting. Home Depot. Harper, where we at? What we in here for, EJ?
Cabinet.
Okay, you're looking at home security system.
Yeah, I gotta keep myself safe. You know what I'm saying?
You got so scared you get your own house.
I'm not scary. I'm trying to protect you.
We looked at these last time.
We did.
Okay, so what's the first measurement?
140.
Oh, that's a wall cabinet. We need a sink one. Remember they had the sink? Oh, here's a corner one.
man. Dude, we need this too. Base end. I'm assuming that's it. Harper.
Back up. Back up.
So we need 22 or 21.
Which would give us more space for a refrigerator. Because that's for that little one by the refrigerator, right?
Yeah, something like that. But it's only $6.
Oh, this is 12.
That's a wall one now.
Oh.
Yeah, I thought you did get
Yes,
it right.
this is $6.
Dang. Now I see why he said just go ahead and
Because
do it
wall cabinets are
yourself.
more expensive.
Yeah, I don't care about the wall.
But it says wall and panel. But that don't mean up.
I don't think it's... Okay, let's go over here like you said.
Oh, yeah, because, yeah, this wouldn't be up. You don't put drawers on top.
Oh, yeah.
So, there's this one. I was looking at this. Why can't we just get one cabinet to go from where that beginning of the cabinet starts and then it end like this? Why couldn't we get something like this instead of getting a whole separate one for the other side of the sink? Because it's essentially the one underneath the sink is one. It just has drawers on the side.
Yeah, you probably could do something like that.
Who knew sinks were so pricey? Even these little ones. This one is $109.
Which one?
This one. A black sink. All right, we're at Lowe's now. Ooh, look at that brass. Oh, nice. Or brushed gold, that's what they call it. But they all have different shades. They're even looking different. I think that's for kitchen. I mean, bathroom.
What we looked at these last time we were here?
I just told you, something simple is fine. I don't need nothing expensive or elaborate. Even if it don't have a hose, I'll be all right. Like, it's not that deep. Well, that one's $99.
Yeah, I just looked at it. It's literally right here.
Oh, that's a Lazy Susan base. W. They either have the cabinet here and they don't have the price, or they have the price and don't have the cabinet. All right, y'all, we are at the Habitat Restore looking for cabinets and sinks. So we just left the store, y'all. My phone memory got full, so the camera, my phone turned off on me. But they had a lot of full kitchens in there, which is not what we're looking for. We're looking for lower cabinets.
And we are at Home Depot.
No, we're at Habitat Restore. Because, you know, we already painted the uppers. And we're okay with the uppers and lowers looking different for now. But we just want to go ahead and get them done because the kitchen is incomplete and we can't use it to its fullest capacity right now. So, I think we're going to another Habitat Restore. All right, we're at another Habitat for Humanity Restore. Man, they gotta sell some of this stuff separately. Like, this is repetitive. Small as one. 12 uppers, 13 bases, 2 pantries, 1 oven tower. It's a big kitchen.
Yeah, they got separate prices on them.
Time to break out my handy dandy tape measure.
How many numbers?
There's no corner piece.
Oh, okay, you're right. They don't even measure.
225. What we getting rid of? All right. So we saw what we could see there. They have cabinets, but they have like that big old kitchen. But we don't need that much cabinetry, and they weren't selling it in pieces. But I think if it came down to it, they might. All right, go with Daddy to the car. So there's another Habitat in Matthews. Good morning, y'all. I am back in Charlotte, North Carolina, and we are getting our kitchen demolished, or not the whole kitchen, but the bottom cabinets demoed today, and installing new ones. We had somebody that was coming to do it for us, and they were supposed to be here between 8:30 and 9 o'clock. It is currently 10:02. EJ is watching videos on how to demo cabinets. We've also been watching videos on how to install cabinets. So we have our cabinets, but the person supposed to do it has not showed up or contacted us, and I'm not chasing nobody to give them money. Looks like it's going to be a DIY demo and install day for us. So we have a list of things we need to buy to demo the cabinets and to install them. And EJ is low-key, high-key excited because he gets to buy a circular saw. I'll check back in with y'all once we get this short. We're at, not Home Depot, but something similar. We're at Lowe's. Gonna get a few things. Oh, people are gonna ask. Harper is with my mom for the next 2 weeks. I'll see her again on Mother's Day weekend. So it's the perfect time to get ish done in the McDuffie manner.
So I'm just going over to the tool world because I feel like that's where everything gonna be. Like stuff finder.
I was like Tool World, but it's actually called Tool World. I saw stuff finder over there.
And I know I need to get my saw from over here.
We're building up a nice tool collection.
I need to get one of those, huh?
So it's the one everybody be using on the videos. But that should be wide enough. So you can sit on the edge of the cabinets, you know?
Yeah, so I watched the video. And I need 40 teeth to cut through
Oh, okay.
the plywood, but I want to say they had like a particular brand that they were using.
I have no idea what's going on here. I'm just gonna be the assistant. Oh, that's like a little grip thing.
Oh yeah.
But it's somewhere in the store. There we go. Those are 3-inch construction screws.
Yeah, I need 2.5 inch.
Right there. All right, so we got everything that we need.
Well, Brian never show up.
No call, no show. But you know what? You don't have to worry about that with the McDuffies, okay? We don't mind putting a little bit of work. We were trying to help somebody out.
Hey, I was trying to give my money to the black man, but the black man ain't show up.
But we haven't given up on the black man.
Nah, just this time.
So, guess what came in today? You know, some of you probably saw or we'll see at some point, you know, me and Nikea are also redoing some of the kitchen cabinets because of some water damage underneath one of the cabinets. But we got this really nice faucet off of Amazon. And so it's got the spigot or the sprayer, if you will, but it also has like just a regular sprayer right here. And, you know, this is the lever for the hot and cold. So I'm not going to take it out now because we have somebody coming to install it. So, you know, you all will see it in its final spot. But I just wanted to let y'all see exactly what we got in the mail today. So we got this, and then a little bit later, I'm actually going to pick up our kitchen cabinets.
Hey Stans, look what we did. Installed butcher block countertops. Cut out the sink hole. The sink is right there. It fits. Did the plumbing. And now we're about to season it. Call the Duffs for all of your home improvement needs. We'll do our best. Alright, this is EJ. He made a template for the cabinets, the door pulls.
Hopefully this works.
Quite in the studio. But he made a template. So he measured it out on the door, and now you got to put some holes in there so we don't have to measure every single time. We just bought this little, what is that?
Art canvas.
It's an art canvas from Dollar Tree.
Yeah.
So let me see if before I actually do it on the thing, let's see if they actually are in the right spot.
These are the door pulls that we got from Home Depot.
Home Depot, swag.
Oh, you got these from Lowe's. We have these for the bathroom. So we're doing gold in the kitchen and matte black in the bathroom.
Oh god, that measurement was totally off. I'm glad I didn't do that.
Where'd you get an inch from? Wow, y'all see that? Look how off that was.
Yeah. Alright, let's go ahead and drill this first one. Let's see what we get. What's the worst that can happen? I got wood filling. Okay. Look at that! Look at that! Get it there, get it there! Get it there! It's recording me.
Alright, y'all. EJ had to call in reinforcements. He had to get Kia to help him out. As you can see, I help him out. And it's, move, Harper. Move! I can't see the handle! Perfect. Every time.
Well, we're done for tonight.
EJ!
Yeah, I want to play tennis.
I'm not saying because the drill, I'm saying because the drill died, but you a knucklehead because you don't charge the drill. Plug it up every night.
Because you can overcharge it.
Well, plug it up in the morning.
You can overcharge
I
it.
need to tell you something.
It only takes about 20 minutes. So let me set the weed up and then we can finish that.
Okay.
Your uncle touch ups.
Daddy, I got the